Welcome to day 1 of our 5-day Beginner's Inner Calm Challenge. Over the next 5 days, we'll explore 5 different meditations, each just 3 minutes long, to help you dip your toe into what could work for you. Today, we're starting with box breathing, a simple but powerful technique that reduces stress and increases focus. It follows a box pattern. Inhale for 5 seconds, hold for 5, exhale for 5, and hold for 5, and repeat till completion. Let's begin now. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale again, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold. You're doing great. Exhale, hold, inhale again, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Keep it up. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale again. Last one. Hold, exhale, hold. Great job on completing part 1 of the 5-day Beginner Inner Calm series. You did great. Tomorrow we'll dive into part 2, continuing our journey towards inner calm. Looking forward to seeing your progress.